I want you to know that my heart aches for the pain you carry, and I'm here to offer you a shoulder to lean on during this impossibly difficult time. The loss of a child is a wound that runs deep, and the weight of grief can feel unbearable. But amidst the darkness, I want to remind you that you are not alone, and there is a glimmer of hope that can guide you through this devastating journey. Your love for your son was a beacon of light that illuminated his life and touched the hearts of everyone around him. The bond between a mother and her child is unbreakable, and even in his physical absence, that love remains etched in your heart forever. Your son's memory lives on in the warmth of your love and the countless cherished moments you shared. In the wake of such profound loss, it may feel like the world has stopped spinning and hope has abandoned you. But dear Jane, I want you to remember that you are stronger than you know. The love you have for your son has given you an incredible strength, and that strength will guide you through the darkest of days.
Grief is not linear. It is a roller coaster of emotions that can leave you feeling shattered and lost. There will be days when the pain is unbearable and tears flow like a river, but there will also be days when the memories bring a bittersweet smile to your face. Embrace each emotion, for they are all a testament to the love you shared. In the midst of sorrow, it is easy to feel like life will never be the same again. And while it's true that your life has been forever altered, I want to assure you that you have the resilience to heal and find purpose once more. Your son would want to see you find joy and meaning in your life, even as you carry the pain of his absence. Allow yourself the grace to grieve, to lean on the support of those who care deeply about you. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups, for there are people who understand your pain and are ready to listen without judgment. Sharing your grief can help you feel less alone on this heart-wrenching journey. In your darkest moments, I want you to hold on to the beautiful memories of your son. Remember the laughter, the love, and the moments that brought you both immense joy. Those memories are a treasure trove of healing, and they will forever be a part of who you are.
It is okay to take things one step at a time, one breath at a time. Healing is not a linear process, and it's essential to be patient with yourself. There will be setbacks, but there will also be breakthroughs. Each small step you take towards healing is a testament to the strength that resides within you. Though your heart feels shattered, I believe that with time, love, and support, you will find the courage to piece it back together. Your son's spirit lives on in the love you hold for him, and he will forever be a part of your journey. Dear Jane, know that you are not alone in this sorrow. There are countless hearts who hold you in their thoughts and prayers. Lean on the love and support around you, for together we can find strength in the face of the unimaginable. May the memories of your son bring comfort to your heart, and may you find solace in the knowledge that he will always be a part of you. As you navigate this painful path, know that there is hope for brighter days ahead, and you are deserving of love, compassion, and healing.